What on earth are you going to post about this week on LinkedIn? You have got clients up to here, proposals up to there, admin all around, and you do not have time to post anything or write anything for LinkedIn this week. Hey, I'm Sarah Clay and I'm coming to your rescue. So if you've got a crazy week and you just do not have time to create a post, then repurpose an old post. Controversial, yes, but it works. So if you've got an old post that did well the first time around, copy and paste it, repost exactly the same content. When you first post on LinkedIn, not all of your audience see all of your posts. I know it sounds disappointing, but it's true. So the chances are that you will appeal to a new audience, and you've probably got more followers and connections than the last time you posted that post anyway. The other thing is, if we see a post or we see a piece of content more than once, it's more likely that we'll remember it. In fact, some research says that we need to read or see things at least 3 times before we remember them. So don't be frightened to repurpose old posts. It doesn't mean to say that you're going to do it a lot and keep doing it, but every now and again, repurposing an old post is a very good idea. So I look forward to seeing your repurposed posts this week. Please tag me in, as I'd love to see them. And if you like my ideas, please follow me on LinkedIn. You can also follow me on YouTube, and please follow my hashtag, which is LinkedIn Simplified. And tell me below, are you going to repurpose an old post this week? I really hope so, and I look forward to seeing it. Catch you later.